Hi, I'm Sean Hawley, coming to you today from Boston Whaler headquarters in Edgewater, Florida. Today I'm going to demonstrate maintenance for the Chill Cool Technology vinyl upholstery featured on board the 360 Outrage, as well as some of our other boats. There are 3 simple steps to clean and care for your Chill Cool vinyl cushions. First, you want to mix a solution in a 30-to-1 ratio. Using a quart spray bottle, mix 30 ounces of warm water, 1 ounce of mild, non-bleach liquid dish soap. It is very important to make sure that your dish soap does not have bleach in it. Next, you want to apply the solution using a spray bottle, then simply rub with a soft, damp cloth. Finally, you want to rinse the damp cloth in clean, warm water and wipe any remaining solution off. The cushion should be wiped dry, not left to dry. It is very important that you do not use solvents, chloride-based cleaners, bleach, abrasive cleaners, chemical cleaning agents, or wax polishes. This is not a situation in which you break out your favorite bucket of boat cleaning products. Do not use any of them on your Chill Cool Technology cushions. These steps followed regularly will help to keep your upholstery looking good and maintain its cooling properties. There is additional information within the manufacturer's instructions included in the owner's packet. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any further questions, please contact your local authorized Boston Whaler service provider and visit our website, bostonwhaler.com.